Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TCL NxtPaper 10s, and let me share with you how to change or even how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, which is called auto mode here, we can take a look at this option bar on the left, and on the second position from the top we've got the timer, so let's tap. And as you can see, we've got 4 different options. So the first one is this clock which is crossed, and it is responsible for turning off the timer. But we've got also 2, 5 and 8 seconds delay, so it's of course up to you. I will pick, for example, 5 seconds, just tap on the option like to use. As you can see, the icon will change slightly, and after tapping on the shutter button, your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. And basically the timer option will work the same with all other options. Of course, the only difference will be in the countdown time. Of course, you can turn off the timer just by tapping on this crossed out icon again, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button without any countdown. So actually this is it. This is how to set a camera timer in your TCL NxtPaper 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.